To speak on this event. Actually, if you speak about virtualization, it's something that our clients think about quite often. So we work in the communication space. We work with mostly communication companies around the world, carriers, telecom suppliers, hardware, software vendors. And these guys are actually very excited about the topic. Why is that? Obviously, it drives engagement on the front end, and it drives quite some demand in the back end. If you bundle that with the right business model, there's obviously a lot of attractive business going forward, and many of our clients are looking into that in the mobile space, location space. So we're excited to have a couple of very interesting companies here today to present. What our team here in the Bay Area does a lot is looking at emerging trends that are relevant for communications companies. So we have people who scout and look for relevant trends that are coming and hitting the mobile markets, the carrier markets in any regard. And so we're excited to have a couple of startups here as well in the afternoon. I hope you all bear with us until later afternoon. We have a very condensed program, a very intense program. But as I mentioned, there's 5 exciting startups. Cool Iris is speaking today. We have Quantified, Zeit, Moonshadow Mobile. So see these companies and what they're doing. That's very exciting work. And then we also have Oracle and Autodesk to finish off today. So I would definitely encourage everybody to stay until the end. We have exciting speakers throughout the whole day. What we've changed a little bit is that we don't have any panels this time. You see, it's only short 20-minute sessions with a hard stop, as you can see, followed by 2 to 3 questions and then a hard stop again. And we did that very deliberately. We spent tons of time on conferences, and I personally am very much for that format. I'm not a big fan of panels. Sometimes you go out of the panel for 45 minutes and you say, wait a minute, what did I learn? It's very open, very unstructured, and in the end, it's not really a great method of transferring content. So we believe it's much better to do this more TED style, 20 minutes, engaging presentations, short Q&A, and then we move on to the next topic. So you get a lot of different startups and companies and large companies like Google that can present here. So with that, I welcome everybody again. Excited to have this day. I hope we have some engaging presentations, some good interactions in between. And with that, I would like to hand over to Professor Krallet from Fraunhofer Institute.